No, guys, I'm telling you, do not muck about. Yes, sir, I promise. I want to go back to plumbing. Luigi, plumbing sucks. And Yoshi, that new golf club I gave you. Yes, sir. Don't worry. I'll use it only for emergencies. Like if Osama bin Laden tries to blow up the place. Okay, now go and work. Okay. So do you think we're gonna survive? Of course we're gonna survive. I'll be back in a while. Yeah, don't worry guys, I'll be back in a while. Look! Still those birds might die off with no food. 2 hours later, the cameraman, that cameraman don't tell you guys, but he's getting very tired. He's tired. Tell the guys about the awesome place. Hey, how are you doing? Hey, we should go and beat up the place. That boss is too dangerous. Okay, that's a go. Yahoo! Well, nobody's around. Time to destroy them. And these fancies are too weak. And the dog hasn't been fed. Oh, come on, little dog. Oh, that dog is good. I didn't give you money for the ride. Oh well. Oh, cute little dog. 2 hours later. Hey! Oh no, it's the boss. I'm gonna be stuck. Ow! What did I tell you guys? Yes, I told you. You didn't even say anything. Shut up. Thanks to my set cameraman. What? Yes, that cameraman. He was able to tell me the incidents that were going on. Now, Yoshi, that golf club was just for emergency, and the dog has been fed, but it looks dry. Luigi, the fences, we already did it good. And Mario, what the hell was that about? So I'm saying, guys, you're not fired. What? What? Exactly. You done a brilliant job. All the place is better. So we're not fired. Yes. You made the place better. Oh, sweet. Time to destroy some more things. No. If you keep the place just like this, you'll get a raise. I think he's dead. Buggles Productions presented The Crwew at the construction site, starring Green Yoshi, voiced by BugleX200. Mama Luigi, voiced by BugleX200. Yahoo! And the star of the show, Mario, also voiced by BugleX200. Camera by Leafmuir, produced by BugleX200 and Leafmuir and Buggles Productions. And thank you all for watching. Directed by Leafmuir, also starring Max Ferguson, who by the way was a dog.